everyone, welcome back to Cracku Jee Telugu. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం NMTC ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్లీ ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ని ఎలా థింక్ చేయాలి, రైట్ అప్రోచ్ని ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలనేది కూడా అండర్స్టాండ్ చేస్తాం. సో పాజ్, సాల్వ్ అండ్ దెన్ వాచ్. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఒలింపియాడ్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంటే వై స్టాప్ దేర్? మీ ప్రిపరేషన్ని నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్కి తీసుకెళ్ళండి విత్ క్రాకు జేఈ ఫౌండేషన్ కోర్స్. డిజైన్ చేసింది మా మారుతి సార్, జేఈ AR 29, అండ్ రాధాకృష్ణ సార్, హూ హ్యాస్ మోర్ దాన్ 15 years of teaching experience. కాన్సెప్ట్స్ని ఎర్లీగా స్ట్రాంగ్ చేసుకోండి, రైట్ వేలో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అండ్ జేఈకి సాలిడ్ ఫౌండేషన్ని బిల్డ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ బిఫోర్ యూ డిసైడ్, యూ కెన్ బుక్ అ ఫ్రీ డెమో కాల్ విత్ అవర్ IITN ఫ్యాకల్టీ అండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ద క్రాకు వే యోర్ సెల్ఫ్. లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంది.
So in this question we are asked, if A, B, C are real numbers such that the polynomial x cube plus 6x square plus ax plus b is the cube of x plus c, then we have to find the, options are given in the form of ABC. Let us try to find the values of ABC first. So it is given that x plus c cube is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus ax plus b. From here what do we get? If we expand the left hand side, we get x cube plus 3x square c plus 3xc square plus c cube is equal to what? Is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus ax plus b. Now if you compare the coefficients, what you get? If you compare the coefficient of x square, from here you get 3c is equal to 6. From here you get c is equal to 2. Right? Now compare the coefficient of x. From here I can say 3c square is equal to what? Is equal to a. What is c? C is nothing but 2. So 2 square will be 4. 4 into 3, 12. So a is equal to 12. Then what do I have? I have c cube. C cube is equal to b. What is c cube? C cube is nothing but 2 cube. So b is equal to what? B is equal to 8. Now I got the values of a, b and c. Now first says a plus b plus c is divisible by 13. What is a plus b plus c? 12 plus 8 plus 2. It is 22. So I can say a plus b plus c is equal to 22. Is it divisible by 13? No. So this option is not correct. A plus b equal to 11c. What is a plus b? 12 plus 8 is 20. 11c is 22. Is 20 equal to 22? No. So this option is also not correct. A is greater than b and b is less than c. Is a greater than b? Yes. But is b less than c? No. B is greater than c. So this option is also not correct. Then fourth option says a plus b plus c is divisible by 11. So a plus b plus c is 22. Is 22 divisible by 11? Yes, it is divisible by 11. So option D is the correct choice. In this question we are given a figure and it is given AB is equal to 9 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is a median and angle C is equal to 40 degree. Then the measure of angle ADB is what? Now first you should draw the figure. We have A, B and C and this is a median. Right? Now whenever the median is given, what should come to your mind? In your mind it should come about Apollonius theorem. Why? Because using Apollonius theorem we can find the length of the median. Now AB is given as 9 centimeter, then AC is given as 7 centimeter and BC is given as 8 centimeter. So from here I can write BD is 4 centimeter and CD is 4 centimeter. Why? D is the midpoint of BC. This is given as what? This is given as 40 degree. Now from here what you get? From here you can apply the Apollonius theorem which says AB square plus AC square is equal to twice of median square plus half of the opposite side which is DC square. From here what is AB square? Is 9 square plus 7 square is equal to 2 into, we don't know about AD square, and this is 4 square. From here you get 130 is equal to 2 into AD square plus 16, or from here I can say AD square plus 16 is equal to 65, or AD square equal to 49, or from here I get AD is equal to what? AD is equal to 7. So I got AD is equal to 7. Now in triangle ADC, AC and AD are same length. So it is an isosceles triangle. So if this is 40, this will also be 40 degree. We need to find ADB. It means this angle. So these two angles will be supplementary. If this is 40, this one will become 140 degree. So answer to this question will be 140 degree. Angle ADB is 140 degree. In this question we are asked x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we have given an expression in x and k, and we have to find the value of k. So how do you do this? First of all, you have given x square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. And here you have given x raised to 4, x cube and all these things. So whenever this type of things comes, you have to manipulate the given equation. How can you manipulate this? Divide both sides by x. You get x plus 6 plus 1 by x is equal to 0, or x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. From here also find x square plus 1 by x square. If you square both the sides, you will get, this is minus 6. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 36, or x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34. So you got your two equations, that x plus 1 by x equal to minus 6 and x square plus 1 by x square equal to 34. Now let us write down the expression which we have given. So it is kx square plus 1 divided by x cube plus 3x cube plus kx square plus 3x. 3x cube plus kx square plus 3x, and this is given equal to 2, right? Now what you can do, divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now if you divide the numerator by x square, you will get x raised to 4 by x square, it will be x square. Kx square by x square, it will be k plus 1 upon x square. If you divide the denominator by x square, what will you get? 3x cube by x square is 3x, plus kx square by kx square is k, plus 3x upon x square, it will be 3 by x is equal to 2. Now you can say this is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square. What is it? It is 34. So this will become 34 plus k. Now this is 3x plus 3 upon x, which is nothing but 3 into x plus 1 by x, which is nothing but x plus 1 by x is minus 6. Minus 6 into 3 will be 18. So k minus 18 is equal to 2. From here you get 34 plus k is equal to 2k minus 36, or from here you get k is equal to 34 plus 36, which is nothing but 70. So we had to find the value of k, which is 70, and it is given in the option number D. So option number D is the correct choice for this question. In this question we are asked x is equal to cube root of 49 plus cube root of 42 plus cube root of 36. Then the value of x minus 1 by x square is what? Let us write down it as x is equal to 49 raised to 1 by 3 plus 42 raised to 1 by 3 plus we have given 36 raised to 1 by 3. Correct? From here I can write this as 49, I can write as 7 square. So this is 7 raised to 2 by 3 plus 7 raised to 1 by 3 into 6 raised to 1 by 3. plus what I can write? I can write this as 6 raised to 2 by 3. Why? Because 36 is 6 raised to 2 by 3. So this you get. Now let us put A is equal to 7 raised to 1 by 3 and B is equal to 6 raised to 1 by 3. From here you get x is equal to, this is what? This is nothing but a square plus ab plus b square. Now you know an identity. What it is? It is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Correct? Now a square plus ab plus b square is there. So from here I can say it is a cube minus b cube upon a minus b. This is the value of x. What is a cube? A cube is nothing but 7. What is b cube? It is 6. So this is 7 minus 6 upon a minus b, or 1 upon a minus b. This is x. Now what are you asked? You are asked x minus 1 by x square. So x minus 1 by x square. This is what? This is nothing but 1 upon a minus b minus, what is 1 by x? 1 by x is nothing but a minus b, right? And what is 1 by x square? It is nothing but a minus b whole square. Now this is what? This is 1 minus a minus b whole cube upon a minus b. Now what is a minus b whole cube? Let us expand this one. From here what do we get? We get 1 minus a cube plus b cube plus cab into a minus b. Upon here we get a minus b. Now from here a cube is what? A cube is 7 plus b cube is 6 plus 3ab into a minus b upon a minus b. This get cancelled. From here we get 3ab into a minus b upon a minus b, or from here we get PAB, right? So we need to find the value of 3AB. A is what? A is 7 raised to 1 by 3. B is what? 6 raised to 1 by 3. From here we get 342 cube root. This is the answer which is required, and it is given in option number B. So option B is the correct choice here. Now in this question we are asked AB equal to BC equal to CD. Point P is the midpoint of AQ. If CR is equal to 4 and QC equal to 12, then PQ is equal to what? Let us first draw the figure. Now in this diagram we know BC is equal to CD, and also QC and CR we know the lengths. We know QR and BD intersect at point C. So using intersecting chord theorem we can write QC into CR is equal to what? Is equal to BC to CD. What is QC? QC is 12. CR is 4. From here we get BC into CD. Or from here we get 48 is equal to BC into CD. But we have also given that BC is equal to CD. So if I put both equal to x, then I will get x square equal to 48. And x equal to, I will get what? I will get 4 root 3. So I can say BC is 4 root 3, CD is 4 root 3, and then AB is also equal to BC only. So AB will also be equal to 4 root 3. Correct? Now AP is given equal to PQ. Let us say AP is Y, so PQ will also become Y. Now AQ and AD are the seconds drawn from the same point A. So I can apply secant theorem, secant theorem. What does it say? It says AP into AQ. So I have AP into AQ is equal to what? It is equal to AB into AD. So AB into AD. What is AP into AQ? AP is Y, AQ is 2Y. So this is 2Y square. What is AB? AB is 4 root 3. And what is AD? AD is nothing but 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 root 3. This gives what? This gives Y square equal to 24 to 3. Or this is nothing but what? Y square equal to 72. Then what will be Y? Y will be under root 72. And what is under root 72? It is 36 into 2. So 6 root 2. This is the value of Y. We need to find the value of PQ. PQ is also equal to Y. So 6 root 2 is the correct answer here. So option A is the correct choice. In this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, A is the midpoint of arc BAC. Given that AB equal to 15 and AD equal to 10, find the value of AE. So let us first draw the figure. So this is the figure which we have given. Now what exactly you can do here? If you see, A is given as the midpoint of this arc BC. So I can say length of arc AB is equal to length of arc AC, and these are the chord joining the end points of this arc. If the length of these two arcs is same, the length of these two chords should also be same, right? So ABC is nothing but a isosceles triangle. So I can say, let us say this is A degree, so this will also become A degree, correct? Now if you see, this ACB is the angle inscribed by arc AB at the circumference of the circle. So for arc AB, ACB is the inscribed angle. But also for arc AB, AEB is also the inscribed angle. So by inscribed angle theorem, this will also become what? This will also become A. Now for AEC, AEC is inscribed by arc AC, but also ABC is also inscribed by arc AC. So these two angles should be equal. So this will be also equal to what? This will be also equal to A. Now let us say this is B and this is C. Now by exterior angle, what can I say? This is AB. So this angle will be what? This will be A plus B, right? This angle will be what? This angle will be A plus C. This is A plus C. So opposite angle, this will also be A plus C, and this will be A plus B. Now we know A plus C plus A plus B is what? Is nothing but 180 degree. So similar A plus C, so remaining this should be B, right? Now if we look in this triangle what is happening? A plus B plus A plus something is 180, but here also A plus B, A and C is 180. So this angle will be what? This angle will be C. Correct? Now we have to find the length of AE. So how to find the length of AE? Now look at triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, what is happening? Angle ACE is equal to what? Angle ACE is equal to A plus B. Correct? Angle EAC is what? Angle EAC is nothing but C. And angle, this angle AEC, angle AEC is what? Is A. Now look at this triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, what is happening? In triangle ADC, I can say angle ADC is A plus B. So ADC is what? is A plus B. What is angle CAD? Angle CAD is C. So angle CAD is what? C. And angle ACD. Angle ACD is what? A. So in both of this one, we can find that all angles are equal. So I can say here C is there. So C, which is equal to here D. Here D. Now here A is there, which is equal to here C. Sorry, here A is equal to here A only. So A, and the remaining one, here it is E, here it is C. So here it is E, here it is C. So these two triangles will be similar to each other by AAA test of similarity. From here what I can write? I can write CA upon AD is equal to AE upon CA. So CA upon AD is equal to AE upon CA or AC. Now what is AC? AC is nothing but 15. So 15 upon AD, which is 10, is equal to AE upon CA is nothing but 15. From here you get AE is equal to 15 square divided by 10. What is 15 square divided by 10? It is nothing but 22.5. So AE will be 22.5, which is given in option number C. So option C is the correct choice here. In this question, we are asked the number of real numbers x which satisfy the given equation. So we have given 8 raised to x plus 27 raised to x upon 12 raised to x plus 18 raised to x is equal to 7 by 6. Now whenever this type of things are there, convert them into their powers. So 8x is nothing but 2 raised to 3x plus this is nothing but what? This is nothing but 3 raised to 3x upon, you can write this as 4 into 3 raised to x or 2 raised to 2x into 3 raised to x plus this you can write 3 raised to 2x into 2 raised to x is given as 7 by 6. Now put A is equal to A is equal to 2 raised to x and B is equal to 3 raised to x. From here what you get? You get this as A cube plus B cube upon, this is what? This is nothing but A square B plus AB square is equal to 7 upon 6. From here what you get? You can write this above thing as A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB upon. Here you can take AB common. So if you take AB common, you will be left with A plus B is equal to 7 by 6. You can cancel A plus B. From here you get A square plus B square minus AB upon AB is equal to 7 by 6. Now you can use the componendo property. So by componendo, numerator plus denominator, it will be what? It will be A square plus B square upon AB is equal to 7 plus 6, which is 13 by 6. Now multiply the both sides by 1 by 2. From here you get A square plus B square upon 2AB is equal to 13 by 12. Correct? Now use componendo dividendo. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this will be A square plus B square plus 2AB upon A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to 13 plus 12, 25. 13 minus 12, 1. From here you get A plus B upon A minus B whole square is equal to 25. From here what you can get? You get A plus B upon A minus B is equal to 5 plus minus 5. If it is plus 5, you can write a plus b upon a minus b is equal to plus 5, or a plus b upon a minus b is equal to minus 5. From here you get a plus b is equal to 5a minus 5b, or you get 4a is equal to 6b, or a by b is equal to what? 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. Or from here, what was a? A was 2 raised to x, b was 3 raised to x. 2 by 3 raised to x equal to 3 by 2. From here you get x equal to minus 1. Now, from here you get a plus b equal to minus 5a plus 5b, or 6a is equal to 4b, or a by b is equal to 4 by 6. From here what you get? A is what? A is nothing but 2 raised to x. This is 3 raised to x. So 2 by 3 raised to x, 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. And from here you get x is equal to 1. So how many values of x are there that satisfy the given equation? There are two values, 1 and minus 1. So what will be the answer to this question? Answer to this question will be 2. The number of real numbers x which satisfy the given equation are, there are two numbers, 1 and minus 1. So option B is the correct choice here. In this question we are asked, a, b are real numbers such that 2a square plus 5b square equal to 20, then the maximum value of a raised to 4 into b raised to 6 is what? Here you should apply am is greater than equal to gm property. So here we have given 2a square plus 5b square is equal to 20, correct? I can write this as a square plus a square. This one I can write 5b square by 3 plus 5b square by 3 plus 5b square by 3 is equal to what? Is equal to 20. Why have I written this? I have written this because when I multiply this thing, I will get a square into a square as a raised to 4, and b square into b square into b square, I will get b raised to 6. So from here what you can do? You can say the sum of all these 5 numbers. So this is a square plus a square plus 5b square by 3 plus 5b square by 3 plus 5b square by 3 divided by how many terms are there? 5. So this is what? This is nothing but AM, or arithmetic mean of all this, is greater than equal to GM. What will be the GM? GM will be fifth root. Why fifth root? Because there are 5 terms. And what will be the product? A square into a square will be a raised to 4 into 5b square by 3 into 5b square by 3 into 5b square by 3. This will be 5 cube 125 divided by 27 into b raised to 6. So this will be greater than equal to GM. What is this value? This value is nothing but 20. 20 by 5 will be what? Will be 4. 4 is greater than equal to what? It is greater than equal to 125 by 27 into a raised to 4 into b raised to 6, and this is the fifth root. Now raise both sides by power 5. So 4 raised to 5 is greater than equal to 125 by 27 into a raised to 4 into b raised to 6, or I can say a raised to 4 into b raised to 6 is less than equal to 4 raised to 5 into 27 divided by 125. Now what will be the maximum value of a raised to 4 and b raised to 6? It will be just equal to this. This will be the maximum value. And if you calculate this, it will be 221.84, somewhere here, which is given in, sorry, 221.184, not 84. So this is given in option number A. So option A will be the correct choice. In this question we are given the number of ordered pairs x comma y of integers such that x minus y square equal to 4 and x square plus y raised to 4 equal to 26 is what? So we have given x minus y square equal to 4 and x square plus y raised to 4 is given as 26. Now what can you say? You can say x minus 4 is equal to y square. I want y raised to 4. So what is y raised to 4? It is nothing but x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to y raised to 4. Now substitute this value in this given equation. You will get x square plus what is y raised to 4? Is x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 26. From here you get 2x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 26, or x square minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 13, or from here you get x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. You can factorize it in this way: x minus 5 x plus 1 equal to 0. From here you get x is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 1. Correct? Now what do you know? If you put x equal to 5 here, you will get what? You will get y square equal to 5 minus 4, which is what? 5 minus 4 is 1. So y square will be 1. Now if y square is 1, you will get y is equal to plus or minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1, if you put x is equal to minus 1 here, what you will get? You will get minus 1 minus y square equal to 4, or y square is equal to minus 5. Is this possible for real number? No, this is not possible for real number. So this is not correct. And from here you get y is equal to plus or minus 1. So your answers will be 5 comma 1 and 5 comma minus 1. So how many solutions are there? There are exactly 2 ordered pairs. So answer to this question will be option number C. In this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, 3 equal squares are placed. The squares are unit squares. Unit squares means each square has the side length equal to 1. The area of the shaded region is what? So let us first draw this figure. Now this is the figure and I have labeled it. Now I need to find the area of AIE, that is the shaded region here. Now if you see, if I assume this angle as theta, I know this is 90 degree. So in triangle HDE, this is 90, this is theta. So this will be what? Will be 90 minus theta. Correct? Now in right angled triangle AIE, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta. This will be what? Will be theta. So by AA test of similarity, I can say AIE, this triangle is similar to what? Is similar to HDE, right? Why? Angle A, which is theta, is equal to angle H, which is theta. Angle I 90, angle D 90. Angle E is 90 minus theta. Here also angle E is 90 minus theta. From here what I can say? I can say that AE upon HE is equal to what? It means ratio of corresponding sides. AE is equal to, this is 1 and this is 1. Why? Unit square. This is equal to 2. What will be HE? In right angle triangle HDE, DH is what? DH is 1 plus 1, 2, and HE is 1. So this is 2, this is 1, and HE is the hypotenuse. So it will be under root 2 square plus 1 square, which is under root 5. Right? Now we know that the area of similar triangles, the ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So I can say area of AIE upon area of HDE is equal to what? Is in the square of ratio of their corresponding side, which is AE upon HE whole square. Correct? From here, area of AIE upon area of HDE. What is the area of HDE? HDE. It is a right angled triangle. So 1 by 2 into height into the base. So 2 into 1 into 1 by 2 is 1, is equal to what? Is equal to AE upon HE is 2 upon root 5 whole square, and this is nothing but 4 by 5. So area of triangle AIE, which is nothing but the shaded region, is 4 by 5 and given in option number B. This is how you can solve the question.
ఒలింపియాడ్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారా? దెన్ యూర్ ఆల్రెడీ బిల్డింగ్ ద స్కిల్స్ నీడెడ్ ఫర్ జేఈ టుమారో. ఆ ప్రిపరేషన్ని నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్కి తీసుకెళ్ళండి విత్ క్రాకూస్ జేఈ ఫౌండేషన్ బ్యాచ్ ఫర్ క్లాసెస్ 8 to 10. ఐఐటి అండ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ లైవ్ క్లాసెస్తో మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ నేర్చుకోండి. 5,000+ ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్తో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ బైవీక్లీ టెస్ట్తో మీ ప్రోగ్రెస్ని ట్రాక్ చేసుకోండి. మీ ఒలింపియాడ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ని స్ట్రాంగ్గా చేసుకోండి జేఈ ఫౌండేషన్తో. జాయిన్ క్రాకూ టుడే, ద లింక్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్.
In this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, AB is a diameter of circle, given BAC is 20 degree and AEB as 56 degree. What is the measure of angle BCD? Let us first draw the figure. Now this is the diagram given to us. Now how can we proceed further? If you see this arc AD, this arc is subtending two angles here. What are those two angles? The two angles are angle ABD and angle ACD. And the angles subtended by the same arc are of equal length. So if this is theta, this ACD, this one if it is theta, angle ACD is equal to theta, then angle ABD will also be equal to what? It will be equal to theta. Now if you see, for triangle AB, and this is E, for triangle ABE, angle ABD is nothing but what? This angle is what? This angle is nothing but the exterior angle. You can see this is like this. So I have A, B, E and D. So this angle is the exterior angle and it will be equal to what? Will be equal to sum of these two angles. So 20 and 56. So this will be 76. If ABD is 76, ACD will also be 76 degree. Now look at triangle ACB. Triangle ACB is nothing but right angled triangle. Why? Because AB is a diameter and ACB is the angle subtended by the diameter. So this whole angle will be 90 degree. Out of that, ACD is 76. If ACD is 76 and whole is 90 degree, this one will be 90 minus 76, which is 14 degree. And what we need to find? We need to find this angle only, BCD. So it is 14 degree, which is given in option number C. So option C is the correct choice here. In this question, we are given the number of ordered pairs m comma n of integers such that 1 is less than equal to m comma n and they are less than equal to 100, and m raised to n into n raised to m leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 4. So we have given m raised to n and n raised to m. They should leave a remainder of 1 when it is divided by 4. Now m comma n are integers between 100 and 1. Now if you see carefully, if one of m and n is an even number, let us say if m is even, then this whole product will be what? This whole product will be even. If n is even, then also this whole product will be even. And when even number is divided by 4, it will never leave a remainder of 1. It will either leave the remainder of 0 or remainder of 2. So it means that both of m and n should be what? They should be odd. Right? Let us say when m raised to n is divided by 4, the remainder is Ra. And when n raised to m is divided by 4, the remainder is Rb. So what I want is that this, when remainder into A into remainder into B is divided by 4, the remainder should be equal to 1. Right? This is only the normal remainder, that's how we calculate, right? Now, when an odd number is divided by 4, there are two types of remainder which can be there. So one remainder is 1, other remainder is 3. Now, if Ra is equal to 1 and Rb is also equal to 1, then the remainder is what? Final remainder is 1. If Ra is equal to 3 and Rb is also equal to 3, it will be 9 by 4, and here also final remainder will be 1. If one of them is 1 and other is 3, then the remainder won't be 1. So we have only two cases. So we want m such that, forget about this power, we want m such that the remainder is 1. What are those numbers? They can be 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 and so on, right? Also n can be what? N can be 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 and so on. Up to 100, the number of such numbers is 25 and the number of such numbers is 25. So you can choose one number from this 25, other number from this 25. So there are 25 into 25, 625 choices. Now, when the remainder is 3, then m can be 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. N should also leave the remainder of 3. So n can be 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. And up to 100, there are 25 such numbers. Here also there are 25 such numbers. So how many total choices I have? Here I have 625 choices. So when the remainder is 1, 1 in both cases, I have 625 choices. When the remainder is 3, 3 in both cases, I have 625 choices. So total choices I have 625 plus 625, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1250. So the number of ordered pairs m comma n are what? They are 1250. So option D is the correct choice. In this question we are asked the number of ordered pairs positive integer x comma y satisfying the given equation is what? So we are given x square plus 4y is equal to what? Is equal to 3x plus 16. Right? Now from here what you can do is that you can just equate the x and y things. So just equate this x square are equal to 3x and again x square equal to 16. Similarly 4y equal to 3x and so on. So first thing will be x square equal to 16 and x square equal to 3x and 4y is equal to 16. Other thing can be x square is equal to 16 and 4y equal to 3x. Right? X square is equal to 3x. From here you get two things. X equal to 0 and x equal to 3. From here you get y is equal to 4. Correct? From here what you get? You get x equal to plus 4 and minus 4. If x is plus 4, you get y is equal to plus 3. If x is minus 4, you get y is equal to minus 3. So how many pairs do you have? You have 0, 4. So 0, 4 or 3, 4 or plus 4, 3 or minus 4, minus 3. So these are the 4 pairs which you can get for x and y. But I want them as positive integers. Now is 0 positive? No. So this is not correct. Is -4 positive? No, this is not correct. So that ordered pairs 3, 4 and 4, 3 are the only ordered pairs which are positive integers and satisfy the given equation. So only 2 ordered pairs are there which satisfy the given equation. So option number B is the correct choice here. In this question we are asked the algebraic expression reduces to what? So here we have given a plus b plus ab plus 2 whole square, then plus a minus ab plus 2 minus b whole square and minus of 2b square into 1 plus a square. Now what you can do? You can write this thing as a plus 2 plus b into a plus 1, this whole square, right? I can write this as a plus 2 and this is b, I will take common and inside bracket I will get a plus 1, that is whole square, plus I can write this as a plus 2. So a plus 2. Here I will take minus b common, minus b into a plus 1 whole square, and here I have minus 2b square into 1 plus a square, correct? Now let us put p is equal to a plus 2 and q is equal to p into a plus 1. From here what I get? I get p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square minus 2b square to 1 plus a square, correct? From here what I get? This is p square plus q square plus 2pq. This is p square plus 2q square minus 2pq. So I will get 2 into p square plus q square minus 2b square to 1 plus a square, correct? From here let us put the value of p and q. So p is nothing but a plus 2 whole square plus 2 into b square into 1 plus a whole square, and this is minus 2b square into 1 plus a square, right? This is what? This is 2 into a plus 2 whole square. Let us expand this one. This will be 2b square plus 4ab square plus what? Plus 2b a square. Let us expand this one. This will be minus 2b square minus 2b a square. So 2b square gets cancelled, 2b a square gets cancelled. From here I get 2 into a plus 2 whole square plus 4ab square. Let us see if we have this option or not. We have this option in option number B. So option B is the correct choice here. In this question, we have to find the sum of this series up to 49 terms. How do you find? First, let us find the pattern. In the first bracket, we have 1 into 4. How can I write 4? I can write 4 as 3 into 1, or sorry, 3 into 1 plus 1, right? In the second bracket, I have 2 into 7. How can I write 7? I can write 3 into 2 plus 1. In the third bracket, I have 3 into 10. How can I write this 10? 10 is nothing but 3 into 3 plus 1. I have 4 into 13. How can I write this? This is nothing but 13 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 1. So for any term, the general term will be what? General term will be R, which is either 1, 2, 3, 4, into, this is what? This is 3 into r plus 1. This is 3r plus 1. So this will be what? This will be, let us say, general term TR. Now you need to find the summation of TR such that R is equal to 1 to 49. From here you get what? You get summation of 3r square plus R when R is equal to 1 to 49. Right? From here what you get? This is 3r square. So you can write this as 3 into summation of r square, which is r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 divided by 6, plus summation of r, which is r into r plus 1 divided by what? Divided by 2. And you need to put 49 here. In place of r, put 49 because we have to find the sum till 49. If you put r equals to 49, your answer will come up to option number A. So option A is the correct choice here. So in this question we are asked this equation, these two equations are given and these have the common root. So basically NMTC had given this question as bonus because there was a slight mistake of sign here. Here the sign should have been minus and not plus. Because of this plus sign, the equation was getting the complex root or the imaginary roots and hence it was not correct. Let us try to solve using the minus sign, the corrected one. But NMTC had given this question as bonus. So I have x cube minus ax plus 1 equal to 0 and x raised to 4 minus ax square plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, what can I write? I can write ax is equal to x cube plus 1. And from here, what can I write? I can write ax square is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1. Now from here, what can I write? I can multiply both sides by x. If I multiply both sides, I get ax square equal to x raised to 4 plus x. This is also ax square. So both sides will be equal. So x raised to 4 plus x will be equal to x raised to 4 plus 1. And from here I get x is equal to 1. And this is the common root which we want. Right? This will be common to both. If you put x is equal to 1 here, you will get 1 minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. From here you will get a is equal to what? A is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 1 here, what would you get? You would get 1 minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. And from here also you get a is equal to 2. You need to find a square. What will be a square? A square will be 2 square. Is nothing but 4. Answer to this question will be 4. Okay, but the NMTC had given it as a bonus because they had given plus instead of minus. Hence, if we keep it as a minus only, then the answer will be 4. In this question, we are asked A, B, C, D are positive real such that A, B, C, D equal to 1. Then the maximum value of this is what? Now, basically answer to this question is infinity. So technically it should be a bonus question. But if the infinity is there which we can put, then infinity should be the answer. How can you do this? We have A, B, C, D is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Correct? Now if you see A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. If you apply the AM is greater than equal to GM inequality here, it will be greater than equal to 4th root of a square into b square into c square into d square. If a into b into c into d is 1, then this inside will also be what? This will be 1. And the 4th root of 1 is nothing but 1. So from here I can say a square plus b square plus c square plus d square divided by 4 is greater than equal to 1. So a square plus b square plus c square plus d square is greater than equal to what? Is greater than equal to 4. and we want maximum value of this expression. So this minimum value is 4, but maximum value can be anything, it can be infinite. So this is infinite. Infinite plus something, it will be infinite. So the answer to this question technically is infinite. But NMTC had given this as bonus because infinite you can't put as a integer. Okay, so infinite is the correct answer here. In this question we are asked the sum of all natural numbers n for which n and n plus 1 is a perfect square. Now if you see n into n plus 1 is a perfect square. N and n plus 1 don't have any factor in common because consecutive integers are always co-prime. So for this to be a perfect square, both n and n plus 1 should be what? Both of them should be perfect square. Then only this number will be perfect square. Otherwise, it doesn't have any factor in common. So you cannot, multiply the common factors and make it to the square. So n and n plus 1 both should be what? Both should be perfect squares. When does this happen? This happens only when n is equal to 0 and n plus 1 is equal to 1. As 0 is also a perfect square and 1 is also a perfect square. So 0 into 1 will be 0 and it will be a perfect square. But once you put n is equal to 0, you contradict the question that we have to find the natural number. 0 is not a natural number. So the only value can satisfy is 0 and 1. And in that also 0 is not a natural number. So how many natural numbers are there? There are 0 such natural numbers. And sum of such all natural numbers is nothing but 0 only because we don't have any natural number. So technically 0 should be the correct answer. In this question it is given point P is inside the square ABCD such that PA is equal to PB, distance from P, distance of P from CD. The ratio of the area of triangle PAB to the area of square ABCD is m by n, where m and n are relatively prime integers. Then the value of m plus n is what? Let us first draw the figure here. Now, if you see AP is equal to PB, right? So P is a point inside square such that its distance from the two adjacent vertices is same. It happens only when this P lies on the middle line of the square. This is the middle line of the square. So let us say this side of square is 2a. If this is 2a, this is a and this is what? This is also a. Now let us say this distance is what? This distance is nothing but x. Okay. So if this distance is x, this total distance is what? This total distance is 2a. So this distance will be 2a minus x. Correct? If this is 2a minus x, what will be this distance? This will also be 2a minus x. Right? Because these are given equal. Now, in this right angled triangle, I can say 2a minus x square is hypotenuse. So 2a minus x square is equal to a square plus x square. A square plus x. From here I can write 4a square minus 4ax plus x square is equal to what? Is equal to a square plus x square. From here x square get cancelled, or 3a square equal to what? 3a square equal to 4ax. Or what can I say? I can say 3a is equal to 4x, or a by x is equal to 4 by 3. Let us say a is equal to 4k and x is equal to 3k. So what will this be? This will be 3k. This will be 4 into this 2a will be what? 2a will be 8k. Correct? And this is nothing but 8k is the base of this triangle PAB. So we have given that area of triangle PAB. What is the area of triangle PAB? Base into height. It will be 8k into 3k divided by 2. So area of PAB will be what? 12k square. Correct. What will be area of square ABCD? Its side is 8k. So ABCD will be what? It will be nothing but 8k square or 64k square. Now the ratio of these two will be what? 12 square k square upon 64k square. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but 3 upon 16. And it is equal to m by n such that m and n are relatively prime. So 3 and 16 are relatively prime. So m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 16. We have to find m plus n. So it is 16 plus 3 is 19. So answer to this question will be 19. This is how you solve this question. In this question we are given the sum of the roots of simultaneous equations is what? So let us solve this equation first. Now this is 4 raised to x and under root y. So I can write this thing as what? 4 raised to x by y is equal to 32 into this thing I can write as 8 raised to y upon x. Correct? Now all of them are power of 2. So let us convert them into power of 2. So 2 raised to 2x by y is equal to, this is 32. 32 is nothing but what? 2 raised to 5 into 8 is 2 cube. So 3 up y upon x. From here I can say 2x by y is equal to 5 plus 3y. Now let us say x by y is equal to p. So from here I can say 2p is equal to 5 plus y by x will be 1 by p, which is 3 by p. From here I can say 2p square is equal to 5p plus 3, or 2p square minus 5p minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2p square minus 6p plus p minus 3 is equal to 0, or from here 2p into p minus 3 plus 1 into p minus 3 equal to 0, or p is equal to 3 or minus 1 by 2. Now let us try to find for the second equation. For the second equation it is given 3 raised to x by y is equal to what? It is equal to 3 into 9 raised to 1 minus y divided by y. From here what I can say? I can say x by y is equal to 1 plus, this will be 2 into 1 minus y divided by y. Or from here I can say x by y is equal to y plus 2 minus 2y divided by y, or x is equal to what? X is equal to 2 minus y, right? X is equal to 2 minus y. Now from here what is p? P was x by y equal to 3. From here it was x by y is equal to minus 1 by 2. From here I can say x is equal to dy or x is equal to minus y by 2. So I have two cases. If I put x is equal to 3y, what would I get? I would get this 2 minus y, or 3y plus y is equal to 2, or 4y is equal to 2. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1 by 2. If y is 1 by 2, x will be 3 by 2. Correct? Now, second case, when x is minus y by 2, so put minus y by 2. Minus y by 2 equals to 2 minus y. Or from here what I get? I get y by 2 equal to 2, or y is equal to what? Y is equal to 4. From here what I get? I get x is equal to minus y by 2. Minus y by 2 will be minus 2. Correct? What do I need to find? I need to find the sum of the roots of the simultaneous equations. What will be the sum? Here sum is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, which is nothing but 2. Here it is 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2. So answer to this question will be sum of roots is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So answer to this question will be 4. This is how you solve the question.
టాప్ జేఈ ర్యాంక్స్ ఓవర్ నైట్లో రావు. దే ఆర్ బిల్ట్ విత్ అన్ ఎర్లీ అండ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫౌండేషన్. క్రాకో జేఈ ఫౌండేషన్ బ్యాచ్లో క్లాసెస్ 8 to 10 స్టూడెంట్స్ మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఫండమెంటల్స్ని ఐఐటిఎన్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ లైవ్ క్లాసెస్తో స్ట్రాంగ్గా బిల్డ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 5,000+ ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ బైవీక్లీ టెస్ట్తో కన్సిస్టెంట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి ప్రిపరేషన్లో అహెడ్ వెళ్ళొచ్చు. మీరు మీ జర్నీకి రైట్ హెడ్ స్టార్ట్ ఇవ్వండి. జాయిన్ క్రాకో టుడే, ద లింక్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్.
In this question, we have to find this given thirds into a under root a plus under root b format and such that a and b are natural numbers. Always remember, whatever will come outside the root will be a positive number. So it is given 2 under root b plus under root 5 minus under root 13 plus under root 48. Now what is this? This is nothing but you can write 13 plus under root 48 as, you can write this thing as 13 plus, if you take 16 common, it will be 4 root 3, right? If it is 4 root 3, what you can do? You can write this as 13 plus 2 into 2 root 3 or 2 into 1 into 2 root 3, right? 13 you can write this as 1 square plus 2 root 3 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 root 3, or this is nothing but 1 plus 2 root 3 whole square, right? So this is 1 plus 2 root 3 whole square. I will write this as 1 plus 2 root 3 whole square, correct? What is square root of the 1 plus 2 root 3 whole square? It is nothing but 1 plus 2 root 3. So this will be 1 plus 2 root 3. 5 minus 1 minus 2 root 3. This is nothing but 4 minus 2 root 3 whole square. Now I have 4 minus 2 root 3. Can I write this as 4 minus 2 into 1 into root 3 and 4 as root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 into root 3, correct? This is what? This is root 3 minus 1 whole square. Why not 1 minus root 3 whole square? Because whatever will come outside should be a positive number. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but root 3 minus 1 whole square. If you take this outside, it will be plus root 3 minus 1, or this is what? This is 2 into 2 plus root 3. Now this 2 plus root 3 is there, so 2 plus root 3. I can write this as what? I can write this as 1 by root 2 whole square plus root 3 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into 1 by root 2 into root 3 by root 2. This root 2 will get cancelled. With this 2, it will be root 3. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Root 3 by root 2 whole square is what? It is 3 by 2. So 3 plus 1 divided by 2, it will be 2. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but 2 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2 whole square, right? So this will be what? This will come out. It will be 2 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2, right? Now this will be what? Root 2 will get cancelled here. So root 2 into root 3 plus 1. If you multiply into bracket, it will be under root 6 plus under root 2, which is given equal to under root a plus under root b. So from here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 2. What do we need to find? We need to find a plus b. It is 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 will be the correct answer here. In this question, we have given a figure and we need to find the measure of angle x in degrees. So let us see how can we find it. Let us first draw the figure. Now this is the figure. In this one we can observe in triangle ADC what is happening. AD is equal to CD. So this is a isosceles triangle. So this 38, this one will also be what? Will be 38. If this is 38 and 38, both of them will be what? Both of them will be 76. And this third angle should be 114 degree. Correct? If this is 114 degree, ABCD is what? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are what? Supplementary. So if this is 114, this will be 76 degree. Now, if this is 76 degree, then what you can say? ABC is a isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC. So this will be what? This will be 76 degree. Now, as ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, this angle is a exterior angle. And the property of cyclic quadrilateral is that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. What is the opposite interior angle to this A? Opposite interior angle is this one. So this x will be equal to angle C. Angle C is 76 plus 38, which is equal to 114 degree. So answer to this question will be 114. In this question we are asked A upon B plus C equal to C upon A plus B equal to 2B upon A plus C, where A plus B, B plus C, C plus A and A plus B plus C are all non-zero. Then the numerical value of A square plus C square by B square is what? Let us first write down A upon B plus C plus C upon A plus B is equal to 2B upon C plus A. Can I write this 2B upon C plus A as B upon C plus A plus B upon C plus A? Absolutely I can write. Now what will I do? I will take this B upon C plus A on this side and this C upon A plus B on that side. So what will I get? I will get A upon B plus C minus B upon A plus C is equal to B upon A plus C minus C upon A plus B. Now solve this. A into A plus C will be A square plus AC. This will be minus B square minus BC upon A plus C into B plus C. Correct? Here what I will get? I will get AB plus B square minus AC minus C square upon A plus C into A plus B. As A plus C is non-zero, this will get cancelled. From here what I can say? A square minus B square, which is A minus B into A plus B. Right? AC minus BC, which is nothing but if you take C common, it will be A minus B upon B plus C is equal to B square minus C square, which is nothing but B minus C into B plus C. AB minus AC, if you take A common, it will be A into B minus C upon A plus B. Correct? From here what I can write? I can take A minus B common. So A minus B into A plus B plus C upon B plus C. From here I can take B minus C common. So B minus C into A plus B plus C upon A plus B. As A plus B plus C is non-zero, cancel this out. From here what can I get? I can get A minus B upon B plus C is equal to B minus C upon A plus B. Now cross multiply. A minus B into A plus B will be A square minus B square is equal to B minus C into B plus C, B square minus C square. From here I get A square plus C square is equal to 2b square, or from here I get a square plus c square divided by b square is equal to 2. And this is what am I asked. A square plus c square by b square is what? It is equal to, so 2 is the correct answer here. In this question we are asked the geometric and arithmetic means of two positive numbers are 8 and 17 respectively. The larger of these two numbers is what? So let us say there are two numbers a and b such that a is greater than b. The arithmetic mean is what? The arithmetic mean is given as 8. From here what I can say? Sorry, this is given as 17. So a plus b is what? A plus b is nothing but 17 into 2. Geometric mean under root AB is given as what? Is given as 8. From here AB is equal to what? 64. Now you need to find the factors of 64 such that the sum of both of them is 34. What can be 64? 64 is 64 into 1 or 32 into 2 or 16 into 4 or 8 into 8, right? What is 64 plus 1? It is 65. What is 32 into 2? It is 34. 16 into 4 is 20. 8 into 8 plus 8 is 16. What sum do you want? You want sum as 34. It is happening in 32 into 2. And we know A is greater than B. So A is equal to 32. We need to find the larger number. So larger number is 32. This is how you can solve the question. In this question we are asked the number of two-digit numbers in which the 10th digit and the unit digit are different and both are odd. Now we have two digits, so two-digit number. We want A and B such that both of them are different and both of them are odd. What can be A? A can be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now I have total of 5 choices for A. But once I choose one of this number, then for B, I get only 4 choices. I don't have 5 choices. Why? Because B cannot be equal to A. So this will be what? 4 choices. So how many total choices I have? I have total 5 into 4, 20 choices. So the number of such numbers is what? Is 20. In this question, we have to find the value of given expression. Let us go forward and try to find the value. Now it is given 5 cube root of 4, right? What is cube root of 4? 4 is nothing but 2 square, and 2 square cube root, it will be 5 into 2 raised to 2 by 3 minus 3 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 raised to minus 1. This will be 2 raised to minus 1 by 3. Correct? Here, what is 12? 12 is 3 into 4. So this is 3 into 4 is 2 square into 2 raised to 1 by 3. 2 raised to 1 by 3 plus 16, cube root of 16, and 16 is 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 by 3 minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. From here what you get? You get, if you put 2 raised to 1 by 3 as x, what will you get? You will get 5x square minus 3 upon x into 3 into, this is 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So x raised to 7 plus x raised to 4. What is this? This is nothing but minus 2 raised to 4 by 3 minus x raised to 4. From here this and this will get cancelled. What do you get? You get 3 into 5, 15, x raised to 7 into x square, x raised to 9 minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 by x into x raised to 7, x raised to 6. Now x is equal to what? X is 2 raised to 1 by 3. X raised to 9 will be what? It will be 2 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 9, or 2 cube, which is what? 8. So this is 8. This is 15 into 8, minus x raised to 6 will be what? It will be 2 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 6, which is 2 square. This is 4. So this is 9 into 4. So this is 120 minus 9 into 4, 36, which is nothing but 84. So 84 will be the correct answer here. In this question we are given xy upon x plus y is equal to 1, yz upon y plus z equal to 2, and zx upon z plus x is equal to 3. So what will you do here? You have given xy upon x plus y is equal to 1, yz upon y plus z is equal to 2, and xz upon x plus z is equal to 3. Now what you can do? Take the reciprocal. From here you get x plus y upon xy is equal to 1. If you split the denominator, you will get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 1. Similarly, y plus z upon z plus y is what? 1 by 2, or 1 by y plus 1 by z, sorry, this is zy, is nothing but what? Is 1 by 2. Here x plus z upon xz will be 1 by 3. Split the denominator. 1 by z plus 1 by x is 1 by 3. Now add all three of this. If you add all three of this, you will get 1 by x plus 1 by x, 1 by y plus 1 by y, 1 by z plus 1 by z. So 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is what? Is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3, which will be what? 11 by, so this is 11 by 6. Now from here 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z will be what? 11 by 12. Now from this you can subtract this 1 by 2. If you subtract this 1 by 2, this will give you what? This will give you 1 by x. You are subtracting 1 by y plus 1 by z. From you get 1 by x is equal to 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5 by 6. Correct? 5 by 12, sorry. So this is 5 by 12. So 1 by x will be 5 by 12. X will be 12 by 5. Correct? From this one, subtract 1 by 3. So 11 by 12 minus 1 by 3. So what will get cancelled? 1 by x and 1 by z. You will get with 1 by y. 1 by y will be equal to what? This is nothing but 7 by 12, or 7 upon 12. From here y you will get 12 by 7. Now from 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, subtract this one, 1 by x plus 1 by y. If you subtract this, you will get 1 by z equal to minus 1 by 12, or z is equal to minus 12. Now what you need to find? You need to find 15 into x. What will be 15 into x? It will be 15 into 12 by 5 minus 7y. Minus 7y will be minus 7 into 12 by 7, and minus z will be minus 12 here. From here you will get, this is 3, 12 into 3, 36. This is minus 12. This is plus 12. And this will give you what? This will give you 36. Answer to this question will be 36. In this question it is asked, the sum of all natural numbers which satisfy the simultaneous inequations x plus 3 is less than 4 plus 2x, and 5x minus 3 is less than 4x minus 1. It is pretty easy. So x plus 3 we have given less than 4 plus 2x. From here you can take x that side, 4 this side. This will be 3 minus 4 is less than 2x minus x, or minus 1 is less than x, or x is greater than minus 1. Correct? Now, here you have given 5x minus 3 is less than 4x minus 1. From here you can take 4x here. So 5x minus 4x is less than minus 1 plus 3. So x is less than 2. You got two things. X is greater than 1, x is less than 2. Combine these things. You get x less than 2 greater than minus 1. How many natural numbers are there? There is only one natural number, which is x equal to 1 in this interval. X is equal to 0 is not a natural number. So what is the sum of all natural numbers? It is nothing but 1. So 1 is the correct answer here. In this question we are given, in an increasing geometric progression with first term a and the nth term as tn, the difference between the fourth and the first term is 52 and the sum of first three terms is 26. Then the numerical value of the given expression is what? Now, for a geometric progression tn, what will be the general term? It will be a into r raised to n minus 1, where r is the common ratio. So what will be the first term? T1 will be what? It will be a. T4 will be what? It will be ar cube. It is given ar cube minus a is given as the difference between the fourth and the first term as 52, or a into r cube minus 1 is given as 52. Now it is given sum of first three terms t1 plus t2 plus t3. It is given as 26. What is t1? It is a. T2 ar, t3 ar square is equal to 26, or a into 1 plus r square is equal to 26. Now if you take the ratio, what will you get? You will get a and a will get cancelled. R cube minus 1 upon 1 plus r square is equal to 52 by 26, which is 2. You can write r cube minus 1 as r minus 1 into r square plus r plus 1 divided by, this is nothing but r square plus r plus 1 equal to 2. This will get cancelled. R minus 1 is equal to 2, or r is equal to 3. Once you get r is equal to 3, put r is equal to 3 here. 3 cube minus 1, 27 minus 1 will be 26. So 26 into a is 52, a will be equal to 2. What do we need to find? We need to find t of 2024. So t of 2024 upon t of 2023 plus a raised to 2024, a raised to 2024 upon a raised to 2023. Correct? Now these two are consecutive terms, so the ratio of consecutive terms is constant. This is nothing but r, plus a 2024 divided by 2023 is nothing but a. So r is 3, a is 2. So 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. So answer to this question will be 5. So this is how you can solve the given question. In this question it is asked, the base of triangle is 4 units less than the altitude drawn to it. The area of triangle is 96 units square. The ratio of the base to the height is p by q, where p and q are relatively prime. Then the value of p plus q is what? Very easy. Let us say height is what? Height is h. Then what will be the base? Base will be, it is 4 units less than the height. So h minus 4. What will be area of triangle? 1 by 2 to base. into height, which is given as what? Which is given as 96. From here I can write base into height is 96 into 2, 192. From here I can write base as h minus 4 into h is equal to 192. Correct? So what is h minus 4 into h is 192. Can I write 192 as 12 into 16? Yes. And what happens here is that is 16 minus 4 into 16 is 192. So from here I can say h is equal to nothing but 16. You can solve this by quadratic equation also, but this is a faster method. So height is 16. So base will be what? Base will be 16 minus 4, 12. It is given the ratio of base to height is p by q. So base by height is p by q. What is base? Is 12. Height 16 is equal to p by q. You want them relatively prime, so divide by 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to p by q. P by q are relatively prime, so p is equal to 3, q is equal to 4. What do you need? You need p plus q. P plus q will be 3 plus 4, 7. So answer to this question will be 7. This is how you can solve the question.
ఒలింపియాడ్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారా? దెన్ యూర్ ఆల్రెడీ బిల్డింగ్ ద స్కిల్స్ నీడెడ్ ఫర్ జేఈ టుమారో. ఆ ప్రిపరేషన్ని నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్కి తీసుకెళ్ళండి విత్ క్రాకూస్ జేఈ ఫౌండేషన్ బ్యాచ్ ఫర్ క్లాసెస్ 8 to 10. ఐఐటిఎన్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ లైవ్ క్లాసెస్తో మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ నేర్చుకోండి. 5,000+ ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్తో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ బైవీక్లీ టెస్ట్తో మీ ప్రోగ్రెస్ని ట్రాక్ చేసుకోండి. మీ ఒలింపియాడ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ని స్ట్రాంగ్గా చేసుకోండి జేఈ ఫౌండేషన్తో. జాయిన్ క్రాకూ టుడే, ద లింక్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్.